Finding aids describe the contents of manuscript and archival collections. A finding aid provides you with information about a collection's significance, in addition to specific information about the papers and other materials in the collection. University archives are historical records of UNC Charlotte. A manuscript collection is an archival collection made up of personal papers or organizational materials that were donated to special collections from outside the university. Atkins Library's manuscript collections cover a range of topics connected to Charlotte and the surrounding region. The materials donated by a particular person, family, or organization are kept together and make up a collection. Manuscript and archival collections are made up of boxes of materials. Within each box there are multiple folders that contain the collection's materials. Looking at a collection's finding aid before you visit special collections will help you identify the boxes that contain materials you're interested in. Sharing this information with special collections before your visit helps make your research process easier. To start searching finding aids for Atkins Library's manuscript collections and university archives, go to findingaids.charlotte.edu. Here you can enter search terms that describe what you're looking for or the names of figures you're interested in. You can also search for collections that cover specific time periods by entering a year range. On the right side of the search results page, you can filter your results by searching within them by keyword and limit your results to a specific subject heading. This can be helpful when your search returns a lot of results. Your search results may include a mixture of titles of whole collections and individual folders within collections. To view a collection's finding aid, simply click on the collection name. This page gives you an overview of the collection, its scope, and contents. The citation icon generates a citation for whichever level you're at in the collection. In this case, you'd get a citation for the full collection. The print icon will print the entire finding aid. On the right side of the page, you'll find a place where you can search within the finding aid. You can navigate to view information about specific documents in a collection by clicking the links under Navigate the Collection. Often you'll see a plus sign next to these links. By clicking on these plus signs, you'll move further down the hierarchical organization of the collection to get a better understanding of its contents. The lowest level in the hierarchy is typically the title of a folder. Clicking on the folder title will take you to a page with more information about it. At the top of the page, you can see the hierarchy of the collection from a folder all the way up to the manuscript collection in which it's contained. This is the information you'd need to request the box containing the folder or folders you need for your research. You can email this information to special collections or copy-paste the URL for this page in your message. This tells special collections which box they need to pull when you use materials in the reading room. You'll also find oral history collections in the finding aid search. Oral histories are recorded interviews. If an oral history interview has been digitized, you'll see this symbol. Click here to listen to the interview. You can also browse manuscript collections by clicking on the collections link. This gives you an idea about the types of collections that are available. For more information about using finding aids, please contact Special Collections.